Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see the reels you've watched recently on Instagram and also how to clear or delete your watch history, step by step. So let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Now, go to your profile page. Now tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. In Settings and Privacy, select Your Activity. Here, you'll find an option called Watch History. This shows the reels you've watched over the past 30 days. You can even sort the list from oldest to newest and filter it by the account that posted the reel. Now let's see how to delete or clear your watch history on Instagram. As of now, Instagram allows you to view the last 30 days of watched reels, but it doesn't yet support clearing the entire history in one go. However, you can remove individual entries. In the Watch History list, tap Select. Then choose the items you want to remove. Next, tap Remove at the bottom and confirm the removal of the selected reels. And that's it. You now know how to find your recently watched reels on Instagram and how to delete or manage your watch history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.